Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. It's officially October, which is the season of festivals, which also makes it the season of giveaways. This entire month, I'm going to be doing giveaways with every video that goes up, and every video has a different giveaway. So you'll see what I'm giving away at the end of the video, and all the rules are in the description box below. And along with that, of course, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look for Diwali, something very subtle but sparkly and wearable. So if you're ready, let's get started. Today's focus is going to be on good glowy skin. So let me start by moisturizing my face using the P.S Vitamin C Serum. Lately, I've been focusing a lot on my skin because if your skin looks good, makeup looks good. Next, I'm going to exfoliate my lips using this lemon lippy scrub from Colourpop. You can make your own lippy scrub if you don't have one by mixing some sugar and some coconut oil. I'm going to wipe that off and use a lip balm. The one that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. You can use any lip balm that you have. For primer, I'm going to be using a spray primer. This is the Photo Focus Rose Primer from Wet n Wild. It's so easy to use and I've been regularly reaching out for this. All you do is spray it all around your face and neck, basically wherever you apply the foundation. I like to lightly push it in with the sponge and it forms that sticky layer, and then I move on to the foundation. For foundation, I wanted something that's glowy and has that natural skin-like finish, and that's why I'm going with the Amazing Cosmetics foundation. This is a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm using the shade Tan. On my face, I'm applying it with the Amazing Cosmetics sponge, and on my neck, I'm using a flat top kabuki brush. I want my contour also to be very subtle today, so rather than using a cream contour or a powder contour, I decided to use a deeper shade of the foundation. So I'm using the same foundation but in the shade Deep Golden. I'm taking it with this flat brush from Colourpop and applying it in the usual areas where I contour, like hollows of the cheekbones, in my jawline, my forehead. And I'm also going to contour my nose with it. And I'm going to blend everything out with the same sponge that I used for my foundation, because there's going to be residue of foundation in the sponge, and that's going to mix with your contour and give you a more natural finish. To correct and conceal the uneven skin tone around my mouth as well as eyes, I'm going back to the shade Tan foundation and I'm taking the concealer from it with this concealer brush from Colourpop, and I'm going to be applying it around my eyes and mouth, and I'm going to blend it out with the sponge. For today's giveaway, the question is, which city, state and country were you born in? Let me know in the comments section below, and good luck. To set this concealer, I'm going to be using Master Fix by Maybelline. This is a loose setting powder. I'm going to use it only in areas where I applied the concealer because concealers tend to crease. And to prevent that, we need to set it with some powder. I'm not going to be using this throughout my face because I still want that dewy look. To fill in my brows, I'm going to be using Benefit Precisely My Brow in 4.5. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the Sweet Time palette from Folklore. First, I'm taking this deep shade called Heartthrob with this definer brush from Coastal Scents. I'm almost creating a wing and an eyeliner kind of a situation here. And I'm going to be smoking it out in my top and lower lash lines. Using chiffon, I'm going to lightly deepen the outer corner at the crease using this small blending brush from Colourpop. Next, I'm going to be using Sweet Kiss, which is a beautiful satin, rose gold, pink mixed kind of a shade. And I'm going to be applying it in the outer half of my lid using a flat shader brush from Colourpop. My favorite shade from this palette has to be Cherish. It's a beautiful sparkly peach shade and I'm going to be applying it in the inner half of my lid. You can see how subtle, how beautiful, how sparkly that is, just perfect for Diwali. In my waterline, I'm going to be using the Milani black eye pencil and I'm going to smudge out just the outer corner with the small definer brush from Coastal Scents to give that smoky effect. And I'm going to finish up with curling my lashes, applying some mascara and of course falsies. For mascara, I'm using the HD Volumizing Mascara from Ofra. And for lashes, I'm using Brazen from Black Label. Falsies is optional. If you just want to call it done after applying mascara, you can definitely do so. But if you like a little bit of drama, of course, in your lashes, then go for falsies. I'm going to keep my bronzing also very subtle. I'm using Ticket to Brazil from Wet n Wild. It's a barely there kind of a bronzer. It just gives you enough warmth and dimension. And then I'm adding a light hue of rosiness to my cheeks using this O2O blush. And to highlight and draw some illumination into my face, I'm using Moonbeam highlighter from Deck of Scarlet. I'm going to combine both the shades and I'm going to use it on the high points of my face. On my lips, I decided to go with my all-time favorite shade from Wet n Wild. This is Give Me Mocha from their Catsuit Matte Lipstick. And I'm going to finish up with the setting spray one more time just so everything stays put and my makeup doesn't move. I had to finish this look with these beautiful big earrings. I've linked the earrings in the description box below, as well as some flowers in my hair. And here is the completed look. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're new here, I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you plan to recreate this look or any of my other looks for Diwali or any of the upcoming festivals, please don't forget to tag me on social media. Everything is listed in the description box below along with the products that I used today. Please stay tuned for the giveaway that's coming up next. I've listed all the rules and all the information and everything that you need to know in the description box below. So even if you send me messages, the answer is going to be the same. Good luck, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.